This is South Georgia Farming YouTube channel. Earlier in the video I posted yesterday, or the couple of days before, I said that they were using wood crates on here. Most of your our harvesters do use the wood crates, but this particular company is using foldable plastic crates. It's the first time I've actually seen one of them use these plastic crates. I've seen them go through town, but I've never actually seen them harvest with them. And they're coming to the end of inrows on this field. And these machines are powered by just usually little 4-cylinder engines. They don't have a whole lot of power, they're just geared real low. And I think this thing's got usually they got 2 or 3 steering axles on them and 3 drive axles. And you can see the front drive axles on these things. They're old 2.5 5-ton axles. Now that they're at the end of the row, they'll finish packing everything up. Everybody takes a break. This is more of a side view of the sweet corn harvester, and you can actually see the truck behind it. Like I said earlier in the video, this machine actually drags that truck backwards. They just put it in neutral and release the brakes, and it hooks onto the truck and drags it backwards through the field until it gets loaded up. And then they unhook and they'll hook up another truck. And like I said, this thing's got the front axles drive it and the rear axles drive it. It's got 5 axles up under it with dual tires on every axle. Give it flotation and traction to pull these things through the field. And you can see that truck's about 3/4 loaded with crates of sweet corn that will be shipped out all over the United States. We have a lot of pre-corn, or sweet corn pre-coolers is what they call them. They run these, they run chilled water. They set these crates down and run chilled water over them and pull all the heat out of the sweet corn. And then they will package it up, these crates on pallets, loaded onto refrigerated trucks. And once they get it loaded, then they go to a ice plant and they spread flaked ice all over the top, blow it in the trailers to even keep it cooler. See? Yeah, the truck is loaded enough and he's pulls away from the machine. Well, that's just a brief description of the sweet corn.